Hey, what's up? I'm gonna show you my setup today. This is my main guitar that I use for the rig. It is the Gibson Les Paul Future Tribute. It says Future here. It's awesome for one reason and one reason. Well, it's awesome for a lot of reasons, but I like it amazingly because of the way it plays. But the cool futuristic thing about this guitar is the mini tune system, which is made by Tronical with Gibson. That is awesome. And I can just recall a lot of tunings at once because a lot of times I have to play on a drop D, sometimes I have to play in standard tuning, so this kind of helps me. The thing about this guitar is that it's not only has that great classic Les Paul sound, it's a little edgy as well, for a little more it's got a little more bite. This pickup, these are the new Zebra coil pickups, and the neck profile is also a little slimmer than your standard Les Pauls. It's a no-nonsense kind of a finish. Even the knobs are not like the classic knobs, but it's a really gig-worthy, road-worthy guitar, and it's become my main guitar right now because it not only has classic sounds, it also has this modern feel to it. Come on, I'll show you some of my technique that I'm using tonight. Most of the time in shows where we go, I don't get a very good tube amp and I can't carry mine around everywhere. So it's always a solid state amp. So whatever I need to do, whatever processing that needs to go through my guitar is going right here from this board. First of all, I've got my Crybaby 535Q wah. It likes to see the guitar straight, so the guitar goes into the wah. I've got it on a very basic wah kind of a setting. A lot of things that can be fiddled around with the wah, but then it's alright the way it is. I like it the way it is. The Boss CS3 compression sustainer, great pedal, it's classic, everybody loves it. After that, I go into this beautiful little exotic effects pedal called the EP Booster. It's like a clean boost. It does not add any drive, but it's amazing for driving already driven amps or pedals. So say if my level is like that, if I use the EP Booster, so there's like an immediate rise in the gain. And these guys are gonna set up some things here. Anyway, going back into the main source of all my distortions, the Shiba Drive. This is the smoothest, creamiest overdrive pedal ever created by man. And it's got a switch so that you can smooth it out even more. So this is probably the most amazing overdrive pedal I've ever seen. And believe it or not, it is my main tone. I do not have a high gain distortion. I just use the Shiba and I boost it with the EP Booster for all my solos. The basic Boss noise suppressor, which is amazing. Flanger for some effects. Harmonizer because, well, I love Iron Maiden and I like to play that kind of stuff. One delay for my special, time, the Boss DD7. It's a classic, everybody loves it. For certain songs, I use specific repeating delay times, which is what this is for. And this is your basic bop, 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 bop solo delay. And that's pretty much it. That's what I use live. And, if you want to have a little taste of the tone of my solo tone, you can just have a look here. It goes like